Hey guys, today I will show you my Halloween look this 2018, which is an open zip glitter face. It was a hit with my friends and I hope you'll try this next year. Enjoy! First step would be to grab your zipper. You have to measure it from your forehead down to your chin, like below your chin, like that. And I have to cut it because it's too long. And then we have to cut all that fabric around it. And just remove all the frizz. So I'm just gonna mark where I want it to be. So I want it to be like that. Ooh. And other side. So this will be a glam eye makeup. So I want to do the eye makeup first before the face, because if there's any fallout, at least I can fix it. I am just going to prime my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm going to use my 35W Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I am going to grab this orange shadow right here and do like a warm, smoky eye. And I'm just applying this on my outer crease. And don't be conservative with this color, we want this to be blown out. So apply the eyeshadow like near your brow bone almost. And usually for my outer crease, I always blend the edges after. I'm just using this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. So I am going to use this shadow over here. This dark brown shadow. And this I am going to apply on my crease. And I'm going to use my Sigma blending brush in A25. If you don't have that prominent crease like mine, put your brush this way instead of like straight, so you can really form that crease. Go like this and see like you're forming that crease very nicely instead of when you're doing it straight. And then this side also coming from above. You'll see that perfect form of your crease shadow if you're doing this. Then I'm going to use my Dermacolor Camouflage System, and I'm going to take DW1. This is really not for eyes, it's actually like correcting bruises or something like that, but I never used it on my kids, so I'm going to use it now. And I'm just using an eye definition brush. This is from my school when I was doing makeup school. So any synthetic small brush. But I'm going to use this Too Faced glitter glue. So before this glue dries, I am going to put this Super Shock shadow from Colourpop in Cheap Date, and I'm just going to use a medium shadow brush for this. You can actually use your... I feel like I need to use my fingers when it comes to this kind of shadows. So I'm swirling my finger and then dabbing it on. So next step is liner, and I'm going to use my Brush Black Brush Stroke Liner Eyeliner Liquid from MAC. Time for lashes. I am going to use this Lily Lashes in Mykonos. With lashes so glam like this, don't forget to tight line because obviously it's very glam, and if you don't tight line, it would obviously, like the gap in between will be so obvious that it would really look weird. So don't forget. I'm also going to use the same pencil. I'm just going to put this in my lash line. And then to blend everything, I'm going to use this dark brown again. The one that I used in my crease. On top of that black liner that I put on my lash line. And then near my waterline, I'm just going to put this gold shade over here. Gold coppery shade. So time for face makeup. I'm going to use this Face Atelier Pro Ultra Foundation, and this is in the color 7. I don't know how I feel about this yet. So far, so good, but I haven't really thoroughly use this and analyze it for the whole day. For concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte in Medium Sand Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just slightly gonna set my under eyes with my Makeup Forever Super Matte Loose Powder. And I'm gonna also use this to set my foundation. So I am now going to use this LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder in Warm Honey, and I am going to bronze my face. And now for the glitter glam part, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever 12 Flash Color Case, and I'm going to use this gold shade over here. So I'm going to adjust a bit. I feel like this is better closed until like my forehead and then zipped up after. So I am going to remove all of this and put foundation. I'm just going to show you how I put this on first, and then I'm going to fix it after, okay? So with this, I'm just going to put eyelash glue. Just going to wait for 30 seconds to really get it a little tacky. Actually, a better idea is for you to put glue straight onto your face and then put the zipper on. The zipper keeps on like falling off. I have to put tape on, and then it was kind of messy. So instead of doing this, just put the glue onto your face, wait until it's tacky, and then put the zipper on. So I'm gonna use this iTalk Clear Lash Glue, and I am just going to put this around my face, and then before it dries, I am going to use this glitter and silver. Press that down. See, at least I already have a base for the glitter, so I don't have to really pack the glitter on because it's really hard. No, I should have put the silver. I originally really wanted a gold glitter, and I thought that this glitter will be good with my orange gold one, but it didn't work out, so I am using the silver instead. And I'm going to pick up my daughter in an hour, so good luck to me. So I got the silver on this palette, and I'm just putting it on my lips. And there you have it, this open zip glitter face. And I'm ready for my Halloween party. I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I hope you have a great Halloween. Eat candies for me, eat chocolates for me. My favorite is Twix, if you're like me. High five. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button so that I can produce more videos like this. And happy Halloween!